I'll explain this fan in a moment, but first a brief story. I mean, before I bought this fan, I went to a thrift store and I found a Lasko 2152 Hassock fan, or Osborne fan if you want to call it that. While it wasn't really high on my list, I figured, hey, a Lasko Hassock fan from the 90s? It's like, nice. What wasn't nice was $50. It's like, no. I mean, if it was an older one, I might consider it, but this was a mid-90s Lasko Hassock fan, like a last gas model, and yeah. So I passed on it. Then I went to the Goodwill shop and trying to think for a moment. Okay, yeah, I went to a Goodwill shop after another Goodwill shop, and when I found this, yes, it's another Duracraft box fan. These were also everywhere in the 90s. I remember when Walmart was starting to sell these. Of course, it was back when Walmart was still wasn't as succubus as it is now. And I had one, but it died, so trying to find another one like these is getting hard to come by because they're getting rare. But I don't complain. If I find one for a decent price, I grab it. I'd love to have the funky colors, but sometimes you can't always get what you want, so either case, yeah. Duracraft. Yeah, I thought this switch knob was kind of funky, but if you're smart, you can just pop off the switch knob and get a regular knob. So, not exactly childproof, but yeah. Information, please. Upside down. Duracraft Corp, Sudbury, Massachusetts, made in China. Service in USA, model DB-10, 101, 102, 103, 104. Probably those are like for the other funky colors, but right there it says model DB-10. So we'll go with that. 120 volts, 8 tenths of an amp, 96 watts, 60 hertz. UL approved, so yeah. Probably 1991, I'm not entirely sure. So I guess what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up and give it a go. I find it odd because fans in the 90s were starting to become polarized. This one doesn't have a polarized plug. Very interesting. But yeah. Plug it up, put it to wattage, and here we go. Here's a slight squeak, so it's probably going to need some oil. Probably nothing's definitely going to need oil. And a cleaning. Or just need a lighter flag, I don't know. Okay, so we're running 51 watts at 8200 to an amp, so it's sort of in spec. Noisy as hell, but running 5800 to an amp at 30 watts. Looks like it's spread out. And check this one more time now. Yeah, it's definitely going to need a little oil because I know some of these had longer spin down times. So yeah. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. This early 90s Duracraft box frame model DB-10 that I picked up at the Goodwill shop. The second Goodwill shop I stopped at yesterday. And yeah. I mean, it's going to need some help, but nothing that a little oil can't fix and a cleaning. And then we'll be good to go for the summer. Can't guarantee by summer 2027, but we'll go from there when we get there. So, till next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Comment box is open.